Dear colleagues, dear members of ESGE, as your new president, it's my pleasure to welcome you on behalf of the Executive Committee. But let me first thank my friend and our past president, Professor Mário Dinis-Ribeiro, for his outstanding work in the last 2 years. Mario was unique in several points, and the ESGE is grateful for his amazing job during a challenging presidency, which was mainly influenced by COVID. I hope in the next months the global situation will improve and that we will be able to get back to our normal lives. I also would like to thank Lars Arbacken and Thierry Panchon. During their presidency, I learned a lot from them when I was serving as GB member, as treasurer, and as president-elect for the society. The next 2 years of my presidency will be challenging, for sure, but I'm happy to have a wonderful team in the Executive Committee at my side. Mario is still on board as past president. Ian Granek will support me as president-elect. Cesare Hassan continues his effective work as treasurer, and Ralph Bishops, who has done a fantastic work as GB member and chair of the KIC, will support me as general secretary. And finally, I'm happy to have Hilary Hamilton and her professional team as heart of our society backstage. This team demonstrates continuity, which is a key for our successful work in these unpredictable times. Over the past years, ESGE has advanced significantly through many valuable initiatives. Amongst other, ESGE guidelines and other quality improvement initiatives are utilized throughout Europe and beyond. We have launched amazing projects such as ESGE Days and have established new committees and working groups. All of this effort have one goal: to support and promote quality in the practice of GI endoscopy. My aim over the next 2 years is to continue this successful work and to integrate as many endoscopists as possible into ESGE. Nobody is too old and nobody is too young to become a member of ESGE, and every endoscopist is welcome as part of our endoscopy family. COVID-19 has changed the world and influenced in many parts of our daily life. ESGE has also adapted to the pandemic, and we are finding ways to help our members and endoscopists around the globe new avenues and possibilities to interact, to communicate, and to learn and offer the best endoscopy to our patients. I'm honored to serve ESGE as president for the next 2 years, and I kindly ask you for your help and your support. Thank you.